question number 2, and if you have read the question which I have given before this, so you must be aware that here what is given in the question, the sum of third and seventh term. Third term means, if I write it here according to the question, sum of third means A3, and seventh term, that means A7. The sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6. This is the first condition I have, and the second condition, their product, means it's talking about again is talking about the third and seventh term. So it's saying that third into seventh term, third term and seventh term, the product of these two terms is equal to 8. These two conditions are given in the question, and we have to find out the sum of first 16 terms. This we have to find out. For finding out S16, we must know about the A and D, and because we are having two equations here, so we can easily find out A and D. What we have to do now, apply the formula for A3 and A7, as we have a common formula for nth term, and you must be aware of that formula, that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So according to this formula, what will be the value of A3? The value of A3 will be A plus 2D. And what will be the value of A7? Tell me. It must be A plus 60 and is equal to 6. Now A plus A is 2A, 2D plus 60 is 8D and is equal to 6. So you can take common here, and what I get, A plus 4D equals to 3. And from here I can get the value of A. What will be the value of A if I take this 4D on the right hand side? It will be A equal to 3 minus 4D. Now we'll move to the second condition, and the second condition is A3 into A7 is equal to 8. So A3 again, A plus 2D, and A7 is A plus 60 equal to 8. Now what we have to do, we have to put this value of A from equation 1. We'll put it in equation number 2. So when I put this value of A here in this equation 2, what I get? I'll get A. In spite of A, what I'll write? 3 minus 4D, and plus 2D was already there. Now A plus 60 means the value of A, again put that here, 3 minus 4D and plus 60 and is equal to 8. Now minus 4D plus 2D, it will be minus 2D, and minus 4D plus 60, it will be plus 2D equal to 8. And now if you will see, you have to put a formula here, and if you cannot able to see the formula, you can just multiply these two brackets. Otherwise it will be easier for if you will apply the formula A minus B and A plus B. What will be the formula for A minus B into A plus B? It is A square minus B square. So it will be equal to 3 square minus 2D square, that is equal to 8, and it will be 9 minus 4D square is 8, or 9 take this 4D square that side and 8 here on this side, so it will be 9 minus 8 equals to 4D square, or we can write it as 1 equal to 4D square, or 1 upon 4 equal to D square. And if I want to remove this D square, what happens then? It will be like D equal to under root of 1 by 4, and whenever we'll remove the power, so we'll get here plus and minus. Okay, so the value of D is plus minus, because the root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So two values of D will get from the equations. Now we have the value of D. What we have to do now? We have to find out the value of A. And so as the value of A was 3 minus 4D, so we'll make two cases from here because we have the values for D is our two values are here, that is 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So case 1, if D is 1 by 2, then A must be, A is 3 minus 4D, so A equals to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2, it will cancel out, and 3 minus 2, that is 1. Means when you have the value of D as 1 by 2, you'll get A as 1. And if D is 1 by 2, A is 1, then what will be the value of S16? Because we have to find out the value of S16. So we can apply the formula now. We have both these values A and D. So formula for S16 is 16 by 2, N by 2. 2A, A means 1, N minus 1, that means 16 minus 1 into D, D means 1 by 2. So what it will be? It will be equal to, now A16 is, this will cancel out, 8 and 2 into 1, 2, 16 minus 1 is 15 into 1 by 2. You can take LCM here, that is 2, 4 plus 15 and is 8 into 19 by 2, and this will be equals to 8 nines are 72, 8 ones are 8 plus 7, 152, or you can cut this here also so that your calculation will be easier. 2 4s are 8, so in spite of multiplying and then cutting, it's better to cut it first. So 4 into 19 is, so 19 4s is 76. So from case 1, we'll get the S16 as 76. So this is the first answer which we get from case 1. Now we have to find out the value of S16 from case 2 also, when the value of D is minus 1 by 2. So let us see that case 2, if D is minus 1 by 2, then A will be 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 and it will be 5. Now I have to find out the value of S16 when the value of A is 5 and the value of D is minus 1 by 2. So it will be 16 by 2, 2A plus 16 minus 1 into D, right? So it will cut out, this is 8 and now S16 is equal to 8, 2 5s are 10 plus 15 and is minus 1 by 2. Take again LCM, this is 2, 20 minus 15 and this will cancel out 4s are 4 into 20 minus 15 is 5 and 4 5s are 20. So from second case, we'll get the value of S16 as 20. So we have two answers here. One is the 76 of S16 and other is the 20, because we have two values of D. So we have to make two cases and then we'll find out the two values of A, and from there we'll get two answers. So these two are the answers.